Tclassified.com. This is Jamb year 2016 past question. Question number 13 says, a disadvantage of one-party system is that it dash. A disadvantage of one-party system is that it dash. Now, I want to talk of one-party system. Is a system in which only one political party is recognized by the state. So option A says emphasizes political differences. B says makes accountability difficult. C says negate freedom of association. D delays decision making. Since it is only one party that exists, then the freedom of association in order to join that party is not available. So it negates other party or freedom of association. So option C is correct. Thank you, and make sure you subscribe for more videos.